Today we'll discuss astronomical telescope. Astronomical telescope is used to see the distant celestial body in the space. So this is the astronomical telescope. You can see this is the objective lens facing the object, and this is the eye lens facing the object, and the inclination of this tube we can adjust, and the distance between objective lens and eye lens is also adjustable. So we will discuss with the help of ray diagram the construction, working, and finally we will derive the expression for magnification for this astronomical telescope. So if you come to the ray diagram, this is the objective lens facing the distant object, and this is the eye lens facing the observer's eye. Both the lenses are coaxially fitted. The distance between these two is adjustable with the help of the Racktanian arrangement. The aperture of objective lens is larger than aperture of eye lens. For the maximum gathering of the light energy from the distant object, the focal length of the objective lens should be greater than focal length of the eye lens. Now see how the image is formed. This is the distant object AB at infinity. So light coming from distant object, let inclined at angle alpha. So after refraction through the objective lens, they converges at the focus of the objective lens. So A dash B dash is the image formed by the objective lens in respect of the distant object, and this image A dash B dash act as object for eye lens. And you see in this case the image A dash B dash, which act as object for eye lens, lies between focus of eye lens and optical center. So how the image will be formed? Light ray passing through the focus, light ray passing through the optical center, coming from this image A dash B dash cannot intersect each other. So real image is not possible. So when we extend in the backward direction, they intersect each other at B dash. So A double dash, B double dash is the final image of this distant object. So what the characteristic of this image? This is highly magnified, virtual and inverted. Now alpha is the visual angle for the distant object, beta is the visual angle for the image formed by the eye lens. So for magnification of this device, already we know that magnification is given by ratio of visual angle by image to the visual angle by the object. It can be also written as ratio of tan beta and tan alpha to find the expression in the known parameter. So what we will do, we will find out the value of tan beta and tan alpha. So for tan beta, we will come to right angle triangle B dash A dash O dash. So tan beta is equal to A dash B dash upon A dash O dash, that is tan beta, A dash B dash upon A dash O dash. Similarly, from another right angle triangle B dash A dash O, in the diagram this is B dash A dash O. So tan alpha is equal to A dash B dash upon A dash O. So tan alpha is equal to A dash B dash upon A dash O. Now we will put the value of tan alpha and tan beta in equation number 1. So when you put in equation number 1, we have m is equal to this expression. When you simplify, it is A dash B dash upon A dash O dash into A dash O upon A dash B dash, and you see this A dash B dash cancel out. So we have m is equal to A dash O upon A dash O dash. What is A dash O? A dash O is the focal length of the objective lens. This distance is equal to focal length of the objective lens. And what is A dash O dash? A dash O dash is the object distance in respect of the eye lens, because A dash B dash act as object for eye lens, and the sign of FO will be positive and sign of UE will be negative because it is opposite to the direction of the light propagation. So, finally, with sign convention we have m is equal to minus FO by UE. So, U is not known, we are not knowing at what distance A dash B dash is formed in respect of the I lens. So, with the help of lens equation for I lens, we will find out the value of 1 by UE in the known parameter. So, 1 by FE is equal to minus 1 by minus UE plus 1 by minus D. The sign of UE and D will be negative because again both are opposite to the direction of light propagation. So, when you simplify, then 1 by FE is equal to 1 by UE plus minus 1 by D. So, 1 by U is equal to 1 by FE plus 1 by D. If you take 1 by FE common from these two terms in the right side, in the bracket you will get 1 plus FE by D. So, the value of 1 by UE from equation 3 we will put in equation number 1. So, when you put the value of 1 by UE in equation 2, we have m is equal to minus FO by FE 1 minus FE by D. This is equation number 4. And you see from equation number 4, the magnification is in the terms of known parameter. If you know the focal length of the objective lens, if you know the focal length of eye lens, and least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeter. So, with the help of this expression, we can find out the magnification of any astronomical telescope.